This video covers how to add markups and text to your pictures. We just took a look at how to add pictures in, and now we'll see how to add text, arrows, and ellipses to them. You can make markups to your pictures on the Edit Picture screen, which we're looking at now. In the lower left-hand corner, there's a button. When you tap on this button, it will cycle through the different types of markup options available. Right now, it's set to an ellipse, but we want to draw an arrow, so let's go ahead and tap on it until we see the arrow. Next to this is the button that controls the color of the markup. You have 8 different colors to choose from, and you can switch between colors by simply tapping this button. Let's go ahead and tap this until we see red, because we want to draw a red arrow. Now that we have it set up to draw what we want, to actually draw it, all we have to do is draw the shape on the picture with our finger. Let's go ahead and draw 2 arrows pointing to the issue on the picture. As you can see, the arrows are now added in. Drawing ellipses works the exact same way. Now, let's go ahead and add some text to this picture. To do this, we need to change the arrow to a T for text. Once text is selected, we have the option in the top left corner to input our text. Let's go ahead and tap here, and then we're going to type in Rust Present. The text is immediately added to the picture, but we have a few options to control where and how the text shows up. Right now, it's set to show up in the top left corner. Let's say we actually want it to appear in the top right. To do this, we're going to tap the text location button here to cycle through until we get the one that we want. The text is where we want, and it's also the size we want, but you also have the option next to it to change the size. So if we want it to be smaller, we can simply cycle through that to get the size we wanted. And finally, we want the text to be a different color than the arrows, so let's go ahead and come down here to the color and tap on it, and we'll change it to blue. We've now added the text the way we want, so we'll go ahead and tap the Add button. At this point, you could continue adding in more markups, including more text, but once you're done making the markups you want to the picture, simply tap on Close. We've now taken a look at how to add markups to pictures in our reports. The next video will show how to review your inspection.